welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we have done till here, right? So we were modeling a simple house, and we have completed till here, till the balcony, and we have made some the doors over here. So it looks fine for me now. So now let's add some the doors over here. So I want some the doors uh, I want the front door to be here, and here some the big windows I want I want to place. So okay, so to do add this simple door, first we need to create a doors. So let us create a door. So to that I'll take a new cube. So this is the new cube which I took. Suppose if you are very far, the view is very far from the selected object. So if you press the delete button or the the bullet button in your the number keypad, so it will take you to the near to the object, the selected one. Okay, suppose if you selected multiple, if you press the button, see, okay, so that is one of the good advantage which we have in the blender. Fine. So I'll go to the front view. Okay, it's you, we'll bring it to the side. So what I'll do means I'll go to the X-ray, then I'll go to the edit mode and select the bottom vertices, then I'll press shift S, then I'll select the cursor to select it. So what happens, the cursor will come to the where I selected the vertices. Okay, then right click, so come back to the object mode, right click, set origin to 3D cursor. So the origin will come to the 3D cursor. So why I did this means, now if I scale, suppose if I scale in a z-axis, scale on z-axis, see, it will scale from the pivot point, right? So it will start scaling from here. If the the pivot point is in middle, so it will scale scale in the both the side, so that I brought it here. Now let me scale on the x-axis. This is enough. Now let me go to the top view. See, the door thickness, it won't be this much, right? So what we need to do, we need to decrease the thickness of the door. So scale on y-axis. See, that's it. So fine. So once we done this, so it's a simple door, right? The door is done. If you want to add some design for the door, you can add it, that's your wish. So for example, I'll go to the edit mode, I'll press 3 for face, I'll select the face, I for insert, I'll insert it like this. Again I'll press I, I'll insert it one more like this. Okay, then I'll hold Alt and I'll select first I'll go for the edge selection. I'll hold Alt and I'll select this edge. Go for face, then select the edge. So it will select a loop. Okay, so it is selected the loop. Now I'll do the extrude inside. E for extrude and move it inside. See, so we have given one simple design for the door, right? Now I'll press Ctrl E, I'll reset the rotation and scale, then go for the edit mode, press A to select all the the edges, press Ctrl B to bevel, Ctrl B, slightly move it before that check whether the bevel is happening properly or not. Control B. No, the bevel is not happening properly. You see, is it happening? No, it is not. So come back to edit mode, Control A. Let me click on Alt Transform, then Control B. Okay, let's add some segments. Okay, this is fine. So, okay, so we need to get this kind of that shininess in the dough. Okay, when we do the beveling only, we'll get that kind of thing, because in the real world it won't be very sharp when it comes to the edges. Okay, if you make me smooth, see. Okay, understood, right? So this is how you will do the beveling. Okay, so it looks nice for me. Okay, so we'll add one simple, this one, right? What it is, I'll take one UV sphere. Okay, then I'll rotate this in x-axis, rotate x 90. Okay, so it rotate on the x-axis, move it here, go to the front view, reduce the size of the sphere and keep where you want. Okay, this looks good. Should go a little bit out. Okay, fine. Fine, this looks good. So I'll select both and then I'll press Ctrl J to combine. So now it got combined. Okay, so now right click, set origin to 3D cursor, Ctrl S, save. So if I move now both the ball or the holder of the dough, both that one and the dough will get be moved together. Okay, suppose if you want to make it separate, the ball and the dough, then go to edit mode, press A to select all, right click, separate by loose parts. It got the separate. Okay, but I want to make it combined, Ctrl J. So this is the door, right? So come to the outliner, rename it as door. Okay, done. So creating a door, it is done.